What's the meaning of complected? Complected. Complected.
Complected. Complected. The word complected is not a commonly used term in modern English. However, it is a past participle of the verb complex, meaning to make something intricate or convoluted. As an adjective, complected could be interpreted as describing something that is overly complicated or difficult to understand due to its intricate nature. In essence, something that is complected would be characterized by a high degree of complexity and intricacy, potentially making it difficult to navigate or comprehend without substantial effort or expertise.